the umbrella that could predict tomorrow. In a small peaceful town named Noorabad lived a curious girl called Maleeha. She was known for her bright eyes, sharp mind, and a habit of asking 100 questions a day. Her favorite place was the old Sunday market, where strange and magical things sometimes appeared without warning. One cloudy morning, Maleeha wandered through the market, humming softly, as she passed by an old stall covered in dusty books and rusty clocks. Her eyes fell on something unusual, an umbrella, but not a normal umbrella. This one had a shimmering silver handle, a fabric that changed colors with every blink, and tiny symbols embroidered along the edges. It looked alive. "Ye kitne ka hai?" she asked. The old shopkeeper, a thin man with eyes that looked like he had seen too many mysteries, smiled slowly. "Beta, ye koi aam chhatri nahi. Ye kal bata deti hai." Maleeha blinked. "Kal? Matlab tomorrow?" The man nodded. "Jo hone wala ho. Ye pehle se dikha deti hai." Maleeha felt a shiver of excitement. Since she had saved some pocket money, she bought the umbrella without thinking twice and ran home, her heart thumping with wonder. That night, as she lay in bed, she whispered to the umbrella, "Okay, tell me, kal kya hoga?" The umbrella glowed gently. Before her eyes, a swirl of mist appeared above it, forming pictures. She saw tomorrow's sky, beautiful and bright, birds flying happily, children skipping rope. She even saw her teacher smiling during class. It was like watching the future through a crystal window. The next morning, everything happened exactly as she saw. The sky, the birds, her teacher. The umbrella had told the truth. From that day, the umbrella became her secret friend. Every night it showed her the next day, and every morning, Maleeha walked around Noorabad with a little smile, knowing what was about to happen. If it was going to rain, she warned her mother. If her brother was going to break a plate, she hid it beforehand. If she was going to be called to read in class, she practiced the night before. One evening, however, something strange happened. When she opened the umbrella to see tomorrow, the mist appeared as usual, but instead of colourful scenes, it turned dark. She saw her best friend, Ariba, running in the playground, chasing her kite near the old broken wall. Then suddenly, the wall shook, cracks spread, the image flickered, and Maleeha gasped. The wall was going to fall. "No, no, no, ye sach nahi ho sakta," she whispered, terrified. The umbrella dimmed, as if agreeing silently that danger was near. Maleeha didn't sleep that night. Early in the morning, she rushed to school. She found Ariba already unwrapping her favorite red kite. "Ariba, don't fly your kite near that wall today," Maleeha pleaded. Ariba frowned. "Par kyun? Wahan hamesha hawa chalti hai. Just trust me," Maleeha insisted. But kids are kids, and kites are too tempting. During recess, Ariba ran toward the playground. Maleeha chased after her, heart pounding, and then it happened. The same strong wind appeared, pulling the kite exactly toward the broken wall. "Ariba, ruk jao!" Maleeha screamed, grabbing her friend's hand and yanking her back with all her strength. At that exact moment, crack! The wall collapsed with a loud crash, the dust rising high into the air. Children screamed, teachers ran out, and Ariba stared at Maleeha in shock. You saved me!" Maleeha hugged her tightly, trembling. She didn't explain the umbrella. She didn't need to. That evening, when she opened the umbrella, something new happened. Instead of showing tomorrow, the umbrella glowed warm and steady. Words appeared on the inside. The future can be seen, but it can also be changed. Maleeha smiled softly. She understood. The umbrella wasn't here just for watching the future. It was meant to guide her to do the right thing. From that day onward, She didn't use the umbrella for small things like quizzes or games. She saved its power only for important moments, when someone truly needed help, and she learned that bravery was even stronger than magic. Years later, people in Noorabad still told the story of the girl who saved her friend from a falling wall. No one ever knew her secret. They didn't know about the umbrella that shimmered like the sky, or how it softly whispered about tomorrow. But sometimes, on rainy days, if you looked closely, you could see Maleeha walking through the streets with that same umbrella, smiling gently as if she still knew something beautiful about the days ahead. And the umbrella, it still glowed, predicting tomorrow. Only for the girl with the kindest heart. Morale: courage and kindness can change the future, even when destiny seems fixed.